Hey guys, so it's been quite some time since we went to Greece. After that, I had a vacation to India. I couldn't vlog there because it was a family event happening. It was my mom's 1 year anniversary, so I couldn't vlog in that time period. But now we have something really exciting happening at the house. So we are almost remodeling our house. It's just that we wanted extra space in the living room, so we were debating between buying a new house and remodeling the house that we have. So we got this house when it was like in 2020, so it was like a really low interest rate back then. So right now, as we all know, the interest rates are high, so I really don't want to go back to that interest rate. So we just thought we'll just remodel and add in more space and change a bit of interior, so that would help us probably not feel so bad about the space that we live in. So right now we are at the process. The foundation has been done, so we're extending the back wall, so the foundation has been laid, and then we are trying to get some, so we had extended the porch, so we're trying to make it tiles because it's easy to wash. So we're going to the Home Depot to check that out, and I would love to record the entire remodeling, do the before and the after, so you'll have an idea. And yeah, that's our project for the day for the next 2 months, so stay tuned. So currently this is the work that's been done, and if you can see, we're trying to extend the entire back wall. So this is the bedroom, this is the living area, and that's the dining area. So all of them are being extended. So right now I think they have done the framework for today, and well, it looks like it's added a lot of space, but you can tell only once the sheets have come. So basically that's the wall that was ending right there, so we are extending it up until 10 feet, and this is the extended porch. So right now it looks good. We're gonna have like a really long living area, so I really don't know how it's all gonna come together. So I'm a bit nervous, but let's see. So before we just had one bay window near the dining area, but now we're trying to get the bay window at the bedroom as well. So the bedroom and the dining area would have the bay window, and this is like the main entrance behind. This is the porch. So we're gonna get the mesh done for the porch. We wanted to get a kitchenette done, but I don't think, it's sufficient. The space is sufficient, but the entire everything else is like a huge clutter. So I'm just waiting for things to be done and we can put the house back together. So they're gonna break up that wall up there and then they're gonna extend. So I just cannot wait more days for them to do it. So today is day 3 of the house renovation. So I'll keep you posted. That's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe and join us on this journey where we're trying to renovate the house and like do the interior decor and like stuffs like that. So tomorrow we'll be like finalizing the chandeliers and like some different lightings for the living area and the fireplace. So we're trying to do a fireplace. So we'll keep you posted.